Hello students and parents, I am Soumita and welcome back in my channel Fun Learning with Soumita. Students, I hope you are enjoying my all videos. In my videos I am explaining some of the interesting chapters of science and mathematics based on school syllabus, and if you want more and more chapters, you can write in my comment section which chapters you want. I will explain that in my next videos, and if you have any doubt about any chapter, that also you can write in my comment section. I will clear that out in my next videos. And if you are liking my videos, then definitely give it a big like and share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for fast notification. And definitely watch my videos till the last end, because at the end of my video that is the most interesting part, and there I am explaining, I am showing you how you can apply your study ideas in some interesting artworks to make your study more and more attractive. Today also I brought for you one important chapter of science, that is rocks. So let's get started. Students, first of all let's discuss what are rocks. It is a solid mass of geological materials. Geological materials include individual materials, crystals, inorganic non-material solids like glass, pieces broken from other rocks, and even fossils. The geological materials in rocks may be inorganic, but they can also include organic materials such as the partially decomposed plant matter preserved in coal. A rock can be composed of only one type of geological material or minerals, but many are composed of several types. Students, you all know that in your surroundings, rocks and stones are present everywhere in your surroundings, starting from the Himalayan range to the chalk piece your teacher is using in your classroom. All are rocks, starting from the granite which are present between the railway tracks to the stone chips on your road. All are different kinds of rocks, and how these rocks are formed depending upon their formation. There are three kinds of rocks. Rocks are divided into these three major groups. First of all, it is igneous rocks, then sedimentary rocks, and then metamorphic rocks. These three kinds of rocks are there. The first one is igneous rocks, means you know that the volcanoes when erupted, the melted hot lava comes out from the volcanoes. After that, those melted lava forms rocks when it becomes harder. Those rocks are called igneous rocks. Next is sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks, how it is formed? You know that all rivers starts flowing from the hills or mountains, and after that it comes to the plain land, and then it meets with the sea. When it comes from the hills or mountains, due to its current, due to its flow, it breaks down both sides, and the river banks broken down into small pieces, and it flows with the river current. And when the river comes to the plain land, then those rocks, the broken pieces of the river banks become small pieces, and it stores both sides of the river, and these layer after layer, these sediments stores at the lower portion of the river also, and that like the sedimentary rocks are formed. Layer after layer, these sediments are stored, and these solidifies, and after that sedimentary rocks are formed. Next, last one is metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rocks forms when heat and pressure alter a pre-existing rock. Means already a rock is there, and when the heat of the inner portion of the earth or due to any kinds of heat, the preformed rocks sometime changes its form, and it is called metamorphic rocks. Although temperatures can be very high, metamorphism does not involve melting of the rocks. Now I am going to tell some of the name of the rocks, some of the examples of different kinds of rocks. First of all, igneous rocks. The name of some igneous rocks are granite, obsidian, pumice, basalt, etc. Next one is sedimentary rocks. The examples of sedimentary rocks are sandstones, limestones, conglomerate, etc. Third one is metamorphic rocks. The example of metamorphic rocks are quartzite, marble, slate, etc. Now students, we are going to discuss about the uses of rocks. It is very important topic because rocks are used in so many various forms. Rocks are used. First of all, for any construction, for construction of a building and from construction of a bridge, of a road, stones and rocks are must to use. Any foundation works, rocks are used. For building constructions, rocks are used. Broken stones and chips are used for foundation, roofs and floors for the building and as road metal and railway ballasts. Stones blocks are mainly used in walls, foundation and ornamental facial work. Quartzite is used for rubble, masonry, road metalling and also as aggregate for concrete. Limestone slabs are used for flooring, paving and roofing. Slates are used for roofing and flooring material. Granites are used for important works like bridge, abutments, pipers, etc. Marble is extremely suitable for the ornamental and superior type of building work, and crushed stone is used as an alternative substitute of artificial sand, and sometimes different types of stones are used as insulators in electrical appliances, and because the rocks are good and durable, so these are the best material as used in the construction purpose. So many uses are there in our surroundings, in our daily life. Rocks are the very essential components of our daily life. Now students, do you know what are these? Obviously, if you are students, then easily you can recognize what are these, because in your classrooms your teachers always use this to teach you. They will write on the blackboard with this. These are the chalk pieces. But do you know that this is also a form of a stone or a rock? Yes, chalk is a soft, white, porous, sedimentary carbonate rock, a form of limestone composed of the mineral calcite. So this is also a form of rock. Let's see what we can make with these chalk pieces, because the chalk pieces are very soft rock, very soft stone, so you can easily cut it and easily you can give any shape of it. And I will make a separate video for how I am making these artworks, but in this video I want to show you what different artworks we can make with these chalk pieces. So let's see. Did you enjoy my today's video? I know you enjoyed. Dislikes, apply your study ideas in some interesting artworks and utilize your leisure time to make this interesting artworks so that your study will become more and more attractive. And if you are liking my videos, then definitely like, share and subscribe my channel so that I will get inspiration for making more and more interesting videos for you. And if you have any doubt about any chapter, you can write in my comment section. I will definitely clear that out. And in my next videos, again I will bring for you one of the interesting chapters of either science or mathematics. Till now, I am ending my today's video. Let's meet in my next video. Bye children and bye parents.